Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to check if you've been banned on Instagram. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. If you are banned on Instagram, then you will be abstained from certain actions, which is you cannot post or even send messages. And sometimes you may not be able to log into your account also. But there is another way to check if you have been banned. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on the search bar and type in a hashtag you have used in a recent post. If your hashtag is unique, then you may be able to find your post here. And if you don't find it here, that means you have a certain type of ban. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.